I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
I think the Bitcoin ethos has been highlighted this year, and the importance of it is highlighted this year because the ethos is you have to work hard, but doing whatever you do and generating income in whatever the local currency is that you get paid in. But if you work hard and then you stay humble, no crypto scamming, right? No shit coining, and then stack sats, and then the objective public will be inspired by that example. I think that 99% of the world is just watching what's going on, and they see the example of FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried and all the crypto scammers, and they're horrified by that behavior. And then they see the example of the Bitcoiners that stay humble and stack sats, and we build better apps on Lightning, and we keep accumulating, and we keep educating, and we keep inspiring. And I think they will join our cause, right? This is why laser eyes matter. Think about, not that I'm going to name names, but think about all the people that have suffered reputational damage and economic damage and physical damage because they took the laser eyes off, and they ambled into the FTX zone or the crypto zone, or they started doing this and that and the other thing, and everybody was just too cute. The objective majority that has all the money and all the power in the world right now, they're just watching how we behave. And if you believe in humanity, then you believe that people are basically honest and well-intentioned, and they want to do the right thing. And so they're going to look at the future, and if they see an honest, ethical money that's technically superior, that's economically superior, well, then they're probably going to adopt that money, educate people on Bitcoin, work hard to buy more Bitcoin, stack your Bitcoin, don't lose your Bitcoin.